cloud out there. And
Really?
There's a chance of rain.
Well, this is my first time being in an air-conditioned tractor.
Well, my air conditioner's not working real good, so right now it feels all right. But, all right, so we'll try that.
Unloading the corn. I was in the cemetery till probably 9 something last night.
Really?
I love walking out there at night and
peaceful.
Yes. And I can hear when your all's grain dryers are going.
Oh yeah, that's another sign of fall.
Okay.
Up here.
Then I hear the occasional cow. So
yeah. Pecan cobs or fiddles. So you walk in the new cemetery where they...
Oh yeah.
Okay. Where they, the new driveway?
Oh yeah.
Usually we unload on the go.
Okay.
Right, you got everything covered then. Well, no, I mean, I'm heading there with this mic. I was probably going to go and dump it. Okay.
See, straight ahead, there's a big, pretty good sized cloud deck.
Okay.
So it's coming, looks like it's coming straight.
Well, I don't have to. We'll just pull that Freightliner, dump it next. I'll put this in the building. I won't dump it.
Whoever goes up there, make sure the windows and all them trucks are, I'm sure they're all open. Pickups up there.
Just call Ron. He's working on the combine there.
Yep, there's nothing like being out in God's country.